Hey friends, good evening. This is Kaushiki and very warm welcome to my channel AnkanaaK by Kaushiki. It's a beautiful Friday and time for one more amazing unboxing. So let's see what's in my package today. As you guessed it right, I bought something from Amazon and let's just open it and see what's in it. Okay, so this is Watercolor Pain Set from MozArt, and there's something else as well. Okay, these are fine lines round brushes, a set of 6. So now let's see them close up. Let's start with the watercolor first. Let me grab my scissor. Okay, so these are watercolor paint set from MozArt. I actually have brought neon watercolors also from MozArt. There will be a review on that as well. And let's open it. Oh wow, it's a beautiful box. And we have color cubes and a brush in the middle. They have a list of the colors. I would link them in the description box for your reference. Okay. Now this is the brush. The brush looks pretty professional. The tip is good. Maybe a size 1 or maybe 2 round brush. Now let's see the colors a little closer. We'll get to know the texture once I paint something with this. Let's see how it's gonna be. Okay, please sit like this. Now let's open the brushes. The body of the brush is very cute. See, these are thin grip brushes. And I have bought this for some fine line drawing. As I have broad round brushes, these ones would help me to do some craft activity. There are 6 of them, and I'll take out the smallest one. Alright, this way. Yep. The texture looks good. Now I'll get to know the quality once I draw or paint something with this. I actually can't wait to draw something with this. Okay, so now I think you can see it. This is size 1. It's written golden maple, and texture looks okay, but there would be a detailed review once I draw something with these, and I can tell you if it's a good purchase or not. Alright then friends, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I would quickly get back with a review video. which includes these colors from MozArt and the 6 fine brushes, and give you a review if it's worth buying these colors and the brushes. So stay tuned, keep subscribing, liking, commenting and sharing my videos. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Bye bye.